the activity should be planned during shutdown, so they will approach the operations to have a proper shutdown window to install this. Otherwise, if our operations team is not aware, then it's a problem.
Yeah, true. Fully agree. Fully agree. And second point I want to highlight here, since we also do not know how many maximum POB is required, so let us take one recommendation.
And one more point, since Santosh is here. Santosh, do you have any GA drawing for the showing the pipe support for this line routing from the tapping connection till the skid? Because it's a high pressure line, right? So how you are putting the pipe supports, because there are many pipes. So how you are crossing that?
Yeah, let me share my screen.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
So, is it visible? My screen is visible?
Yes.
So, this is the line which is running on the rack. From here, we are taking the time, and that pipe support will be provided here, one pipe support, and one pipe support will be provided here near to the tapping. And after that, the line will drop here, and there will be supports from the grade for this line.
Okay, but why this? Okay, SP means support, pipe support, or what?
SPS means it is a special pipe support. PS means standard pipe supports.
What is SP means?
Special pipe supports, which
special
require
pipe
some.
Support.
Yeah.
Okay, you require any spring support here, or no?
No.
It's not spring. Okay, but you have already taken in the GA drawing showing the supports, huh?
Yes. It is already shown.
And Santosh, this is on the ground level, or this is elevated level?
Some supports will be taken from the rack, and other than that, other supports will be from the grade.
Okay, but this.
What is the elevation of this pipe support? What is the elevation of this pipe support?
The elevation currently we have considered based on assumption that clearing the 600, minimum 600 for the bottom of pipe.
600 mm, right?
Yeah. From the grade.
Santosh, this SPS 30 XX1 XX2 what you shown, that is you taken from the existing line, or what? That is what?
No, that is from the pipe rack. This is a pipe rack beam.
Pipe rack beam. Okay.
Yeah.
And the 3-inch pipeline. So okay, tubing. Okay.
Just briefing shortly, Santosh, how this tapping you are taken, what level you are running, what level you are dropping down, so it will be clear for all of the forum members.
So here, if you see up to here, this is line running in the rack, and these supports are taken from the rack, and then line will drop here, and